Okay, so I know it looks like a lot has happened. Let me run down what I did. Okay, so off of eBay, I got a pan and tilt servo kit. Cheap, 10 bucks, and I used the servos I had for it. Now the problem is, this Tiki head is too heavy. What I ended up doing is I went and put a block in here to prevent that. As far as tilt, that's as much movement as it has, and any more than that, it doesn't have enough power or torque to lift it back up. So, but pan works good. Pan probably works a little too well. I'm gonna have to go and research how to slow it down. When I just screwed it into the bottom of the Tiki. When I put the mount on, I had no way to hold it up, so I had to start working on the base. I went to Home Depot and got this board, 1/2 inch, and this is what I'm going to build a base out of. You know, it's going to be raised up. Right here is where the speaker is going to be, and I'm going to end up cutting it right behind here. So this will be the front of the base. And then, you know, I'll have the LEDs like in here. I'm going to have the speaker here and foliage all around, and I'm going to hide the little strobes in the foliage. So I just reprogrammed the servo controller from that mouth prototype I did on the first demo, and I hooked it up to in here. And the actual RASC part of this is the only thing that's really working out, you know, good. I have no complaints about. It's just my craftsmanship on trying to get you know, something. This just, it doesn't look right. And I programmed something real quick. So I gotta plug this in. I just ran through real quick and programmed something so that way you need to see how everything would work out. So the pan moves a little fast. But you know, it's working, and I don't know how long the servos are going to last. It's very possible that I'm going to chew up the servos in no time. Especially that tilt one. The pan one, when the tilt goes back and forth, the pan one wobbles. So I don't know. That one's probably going to go soon. So I don't know. Oh, you see there? It bounced back. Okay, it recovered. And I tapped the tilt the head nod real quick there to see how it would go. Okay, that's the end of the program. It's just going to cycle back on through. Like I said, the RASC part is working great. It's just the whole Tiki part. But I'm just going to leave it the way it is and keep on moving forward. Hopefully when I get everything decorated up, it won't look too bad. So moving forward, what's the next part? Well, the next part is I'm going to add LEDs for the mouth and LEDs for the eyes. I'm going to super glue felt on the back side here and put LEDs in the middle so you can't see through the head. I put in a real big order in Mauser today for more electronic stuff to put the main board back together. At this point, I am going to go ahead and plan on trying to etch my own circuit board for this controller. But yeah, that's the demo so far. Oh yeah, I ordered a preamp. I do have sound working through this speaker. This is just temporary. For copyright reasons, I don't want to play the sound. Oh yeah, so a preamp has to come in. So I'll wire the speaker. I have an 8-ohm speaker to put in here. Got to build the base. Got to do the LEDs. Got to dress it all up, and got to do the main motherboard. I'm pretty much I'm ready to start sitting down and designing the main motherboard. So, but I'm probably going to work on putting the LEDs in for the mouth and the eyes next. So, hope I didn't ramble on too much. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, comment. See ya.